Do you want to get a FFL and open a gun store? Do you want to know exactly how to do it? How to get a federal firearms license from the ATF? What it takes mentally and financially to open a gun store? There are a bunch of scams out there that will try to take your money guaranteeing you a FFL with little facts and no knowledge. My book is full of valuable information. Inside my book is easy to read how-to guide on getting a FFL and opening a gun store. Not just any gun store, a successful gun store. Learn about ATF compliance, distributors, Form 4473s, bound books, sales, property leases, NICS background checks, NSSF, SHOT Show, and more. This book is for sale at Amazon.com and join the thousands of people who have purchased it already. Thank you.